Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to talk about helpers. We are going to do the first lesson of your reader book, People at Work. Okay, children. As you know that man is a social being. We live in society, and in society, every man is important. Every man has his own work, and every man's work is important for us, directly or indirectly. It affects our life. Let's see the first one. You can see here a box is given and some helpers are given in this box. You have to encircle those whose vocation does not affect our lifestyle at all. Vocation means occupation. If their occupation does not affect our lifestyle, you have to encircle them. Let's see whose occupation does not affect our lifestyle. Doctor. Is doctor's vocation affect our lifestyle? Yes, very much affect. How? If we are ill, we go to the doctor. Teacher. Without teacher, we can't get education. Singer. If we are tense, we get relaxation through music. Domestic helper, yes, very much important. Without domestic helper, we can't do any household thing. Courier man, yes, today is the day of online shopping, and now courier man has become very important. Florist, yes, in every special day we need flowers. So florist is very important, driver is important, electrician is important, engineer is important. Without engineer we can't think about road, dams, houses. Shopkeeper, yes, shopkeeper is important. Everything we buy from the shop. Sweeper, it is also important occupation, because without sweeper everything will become dirty, drainage will become full. You can see, children, that in the given box you can see that everyone affects our lifestyle. No one is here which does not affect our lifestyle at all. Let's see the second one. The work done by each individual is important and it affects our lives directly or indirectly. Yes, definitely. Everyone's work is very important and it affects our lives, whether directly or indirectly. You will think, children, that how indirectly anyone can affect us. For example, I can say you that a soldier who is at the border fighting for us is a type of helper, but they affect our life indirectly because they are fighting with our enemy, but we are not directly joined with them or directly added with them. Okay, we are not talking to them, but they are affecting our life. Policemen. Policemen are catching criminals from our society, and we are not directly talking to them or directly joined with them, but they indirectly affect our life. Okay, now let's see what is in the next one. In the word basket drawn below, various professions are mentioned. Each falls in any one of the categories mentioned below. Complete the job ladder by writing appropriate profession on each rung. This is a type of game, children. You can see here I am increasing its size. Now you can see it properly. Some words are in this basket, word basket, and you can make 5 columns First of education, second science, then media, entertainment, miscellaneous. You can see these 5 columns in this page also. Look at this: education, science, media, entertainment and miscellaneous, like this. And what you have to do, you have to choose appropriate words for each of the columns. Let's find out. First is engineer. What do you think engineer is proper for which column? Science, very good. Then journalist. Journalist is for media, yes. Dancer is for entertainment. Maid is for miscellaneous. Then teacher, education. Doctor, science. Sweeper, miscellaneous. Vendor, miscellaneous. Pathologist, yes, science. Magician, entertainment. Radio jockey, entertainment. Editor, media. TV anchor, media. Rickshaw puller, miscellaneous. Singer, entertainment. Principal, education. Newsreader, media. And lecturer, education. Okay children, now hope you got all these words for appropriate columns, and now you are familiar with the helpers and you know the importance of all these helpers. Hope you like this video children. Subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.